Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether y'all are watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today we have a unknown unboxing from USA. I think I doxed myself. But anyways, we will get into it. Before we do, I just want to thank all the channel members. Thank you guys and gals so much. I appreciate you. Anybody who's had the time to come in to check out my knife, my ADC content, I appreciate all of y'all taking the time. All I ask is if you would please help me out, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon, and if you're up for it, feel free to like and or comment. But today we will use my Amazon unboxing knife and we will see what we have in this bag without doxing myself further. We have a Vosteed sent in from our buddies at Vosteed Cutlery, guys. So it looks like it is a raccoon. I'm hoping it's the top lock. Let's see what we got. And this is just an unboxing. If you guys know, I have been a big fan of the raccoon. I bought two. Actually, Lefty got me one, and then I picked up the Wharncliffe or the Cleaver. I forgot what they called it. To check it out. Those are both giveaways. How to maintain, a little bit of info on Vosteed. They always send killer pouches with a nice little Ranger eye patch. Got the NAF. Got a little cleaning cloth. Super nice pouch. Great presentation. And let's see what we have here. So I think it is a Vosteed button lock. With a different blade. But let's look at this. So we've got a really nice G10 handle. Perfectly centered blade. Very nice. Great detent. They do such a good job, guys. That is the Vosteed. I want to say it is the Cleaver or the Sheep's Foot. 14C 28N. Has really snappy detent. Is a plunge lock. Works very well. Even though I don't do the button lock or the spine whack test, this one passes perfectly. I want y'all to pay attention to that killer sharpening choil that gives you a whole lot of sharpenings. Fits my hand just perfect. One thing I will note, the thumb studs are excellent. I love conical thumb studs like this that have a little bit of grip, that grip your fingers. Super slicey. Feels super slicey. One thing's Vosteed, the raccoon in particular, has always had great blade geometry. They've always been very slicey in the past. This one's no different. Whoops, that was me hitting the choil. Very slicey, guys. That's just cutter air. An absolute beast, guys. Very nice, well done G10 handles that aren't smooth, but they're not too grippy. I'm sure the clip will go in and out of pocket. Very well. I'm wearing thick jeans and that clip goes over them, the hem, very well. So yeah, guys, the Vosteed, it doesn't say the raccoon, but that looks like a raccoon to me. With the sheep's foot blade, The other blade was a cleaver. I want to say it was a little different, but it may have been the same blade style as this one. The one I picked up that had the black blade, that was micarta. But you've got steel liners with weight relief. You've got a really comfortable button, no button stick. You guys saw that there was no lock failure. And then somehow you've got really snappy detent. It's a great knife, guys. I've always been a huge fan. Vosteed, I think they're actually having a sale now. I will put a link in the description to this video to the Vosteed website. It'll be an affiliate link, so you guys can go look at stuff directly on their site. I think some of these knives have a pretty considerable discount right now as they clean stuff out. So go take a look at that. This is the Vosteed Raccoon. I will hang out with it for a while, carry it, get the white scales a little bit mucked up from my hands, do some cutting with it, do a little sharpening on it, tell you what I think. But first impressions, perfectly centered, great snappy detent, sharp blade, very clean presentation, great shipping presentation, and I think again it's going to be on the budget side of the categories there. So I'll find out the price. When I put the link in there, I'll put it to Vosteed's homepage so that you guys can kind of go there, take a look at what's available, what's new, what's on the sale side, which I think the Raccoons are. And I'll try to put the price that it's selling for there in the description before the link. But that will be an affiliate link. If you use it, it helps me out. If not, you can just simply search it. I'm sure it's at a lot of retailers too. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. I can't thank you enough for watching my content. It humbles me to see you guys continue to come back. I do ask, if you're still here, please, if you haven't had a chance yet, do hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, I ask if you look out for the guy or gal to your left, look out for the guy or gal for your right, look out for each other, go forward with love in your heart, be up. If you happen to watch this afternoon when it's going to upload, which is Friday, the 3rd of May, stop by Friday Night Flicks. We kick off around 8:15, go till a little bit after midnight, right around midnight. But I'd love to see some of you guys there. But most importantly, look out for each other. Look out for one another. Know I love each and every one of you and appreciate your time. I love you all. Till we meet again, peace.